One of the reasons why you don't get called for interviews is because of your CV. The problem is with your CV is because your CV is not optimized for the role. What the employer is looking for, they don't see it in your CV, so they just overlook it and then go for a different person. Now, every single job opportunity that you have, you need to make sure you customize your CV to meet it. Many people use the same CV for every single job opportunity. That is a no-no. Customize your CV for each and every single role. And how do you do that? Most employees are going to give you four things or even five. They're going to give you the job title. They are going to give you the job purpose. They're also going to tell you about the responsibilities and duties of the work. Also, they're also going to give you some information concerning the qualifications, and then all the things that they require from you. And then they're also going to tell you a little bit about the company profile. Now, once they give you all these details, they have actually given you the ingredients you need to prepare your CV, and make sure you include almost everything in your CV. Find a way to incorporate it in there. And then once you do that, your chances of being called for interviews is going to skyrocket. And also the chances of you getting the role is also going to be really high. Now, if you're somebody who doesn't know how to go about this, you want me to show you how to use ChatGPT to do this, just comment below and then I'm going to take you through the entire process.